Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert weight milligram into metric ton and carat in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see milligram 1. So first we are going to convert milligram into metric ton in Microsoft Excel. Now select cell. On top you see formula bar, so click on it. Then write a equal. Then select cell milligram 1. Now you see D4. Now add divide and then add billion, 1 billion and then press enter. Now you see milligram into metric ton in Microsoft Excel. 1 into 0.0001. Now you see value divided by 1 billion. And then we are going to convert milligram into carat in Microsoft Excel. Now select cell. On top you see formula bar, so click on it. Then write a equal. Then select cell milligram 1 D4. Now add divide again and then add 200 and then press enter. And then you see milligram into carat in Microsoft Excel. 1 into 0.005 divided by 200, and you will find all formula in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.